This one here I caught earlier in the week. I don't even see, yeah, you can't even see him. I caught this one earlier in the week. He was 5 pounds, 22 inches. My daughter caught this one. This one is 6 pounds, 24 inches. And last night, one of my nephews caught this one. This is a pike, 29 inches, 4 pounds. And I caught this pike, which is 28 inches, and it was 3.5 pounds. And then we finished out our limit with these 3 bass here for yesterday. And we also, the day before, I got this nice yellow perch. So tomorrow we're going to be eating these fish here in the fish fry and these 2 pike. This bass, I will be filleting him up tonight and giving that to my daughter so that she can take it home and bake it, whatever she wants to do with her fish. But tomorrow I'll be giving her that. She just didn't know how to fillet a fish yet. I will be teaching her. That has got dead bait on it. 6-inch sucker. So I'm going to make sure that whatever's down there wanted it, really wants it. We've got a nice one. Look at that. There you go.
There you go.
This is my daughter. She caught the biggest fish of her life today. We got the whole family out here, just enjoying the fish house. Show her the mouth. Let's see the mouth. Look at the mouth on that. And this is not the fish I caught yesterday. Here's my daughter's fish. I know she'll be watching this video, so I want to make sure to let her know this is it. Supper! There you go. Hey, get the nuggets out. Get the nuggets out. Just, yeah.
Are you videotaping? Or?
It's on right now. Hey, we're at a fish fry out at the fish house. This is the family. You got Michael, Danny, and Danny.
And
From this
Michael
to this,
Yeah.
right on the lake. Before and after pictures.
Which is even more delicious.
You gotta tell me twice there, Uncle. Nothing better than that.
give the big
2-day-old Uncle Tom?
No more than that. That's right, 2 days. We brought them home, flayed them out, and then brought them back to the lake today so we could deep fry them.
And also, I
Good
give
stuff,
them a
good
big
stuff.
thumbs up.
There's my bait. Edmund, there's the fish sandwich you was looking for. We're missing the tartar sauce, but that's not my fault. I left it up to Big Danny, and he didn't show up with tartar sauce, so I don't know what to tell you.
Let's make a
So I don't know what to tell you, but maybe he'll get the tartar sauce next time. What's in this sandwich is yellow perch. We've been eating bass for about an hour. We came back with 4 pounds. We came back with 4 pounds of bass fillets. We're getting ready to move on to the onion rings. You hear, we got a racing snowmobile in the background. That's the noise that you hear. If he takes off, maybe I'll get a picture of him.
thumbs up.
Tell me twice. Pretty delicious. That's my second hand. That thing is older than me.
Michael, what are you doing back there? Up a little. Good. Here's my daughter's fish. They got to go home in about 15 minutes, and this fish just bit. So it's been a good day for the boys to come on out and enjoy a good day of fishing. And they got to ride the snow dog. Come here, Joshua.
I want to be in it.
Come here. Come here, Joshua.
Can you see him?
Hi.
Say hi, Joshua.
Hi.
Oh, Caleb's coming.
Come on, Caleb.
And then Lincoln eating a cosmic.
Hi.
Hi, Caleb.
Hi. I'm East Grand Woodsman's grandson, whatever. Me too. I'm East Grand Woodsman's grandson too.
You coming? Lincoln's in the cabin.
He's in
All right.
All right.
Hey, you guys have a great day. Thank you for coming along for my family day, and I will see you in the next video.